Hi everyone and welcome to this Fan Art Friday video. In this video I'm working on a drawing of Deadpool and I decided to work on a portrait within a comic panel. In terms of the supplies, for the sketch I was using my mechanical pencil with HB leads, then for the outlines I was using a Copic Multiliner SP 0.03. Then, for the colouring, I used a mixture of Copics, specifically Crimson, Cardinal, Tender Pink, all the cool greys, and the black marker. Along with that, I used black and white Prismacolor pencils, and a white GellyRoll pen. When I eventually started working on the texture of his suit, it took me a while to figure out a method that worked for me. So in the end I found the best method was to start off by adding a base layer with Copics, then I used the white Prismacolor pencil to add the patterned texture on top. Then on top of that I added more colouring and shading with the Copics, and added another layer with a mixture of the black and white Prismacolor pencils and the white GellyRoll pen. It was such a fun process, and I really hope you enjoy watching this video. This was so much fun to work on, I really enjoyed the process, and I definitely feel like I learned a new technique, which is always an awesome thing. Be sure to tell me what you think of this in the comments below, and also let me know if you have any suggestions for future videos. If you want to see more stuff like this, then feel free to subscribe, and any likes or shares on this video, they really mean a lot to me. If you want to follow my progress and see photos before I post these videos, then please check out the links in the description box below to check out my Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for the support. I truly appreciate it. And I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you all soon.